What?
Loud.
I'm loud?
Yes.
Yes, Herb.
I'm loud?
You loud now.
Her vocals gotta be turned all the way to the.
It's only because... Shut up. I'm trying to see if I can prop my phone up somewhere.
Not there. That ain't gonna work, boo.
That's definitely not good.
Let's go like that.
This not gonna work either. Wait.
First of all,
You talk pretty soft.
Quit.
You talk pretty soft.
I talk like this. I talk.
Use your bag.
Nope. I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna hold it. I'm not gonna be live for long anyway.
Good is,
Oh,
you know what I'm
okay.
saying? My Jones is,
1 2 1 2.
yeah. I record music, so
I'm
you know,
good.
this
I
is-
see.
this
I
is
see
just-
my love.
Here we go. I record music.
I don't do none of that. I just talk.
Yeah.
Right.
You let me know if you can hear me, because I don't do none of that.
Real regular.
My mouth is not good for that kind of conversation.
Okay.
Don't act like y'all don't know me. Y'all know how I talk.
This is not the after party show.
So
I'm
the
just
only thing I
saying.
would say is if you're gonna laugh like really loud, just back off a little bit.
Okay.
Don't think too much about it, but that's the only.
See, look at perp levels.
I got.
This Jones is fucking big.
That
Yeah.
joint won't be on
She
yellow.
right up on it though too.
Yes.
Y'all irking. Shut up. I'm trying to make sure the people hear me.
It's not that show.
It's not one
That
show.
So this
Shut
is
up.
about parent. We gotta be parents.
You parents
Yes.
today. I just
24/7.
left
I'm
my
still the
kids.
same mom.
Yeah.
I'm still the same mom. My mouth still ain't good for microphone tricks. Not these anyway.
We just gonna have some regular conversation real
Okay.
quick. Real quick. Look, I was gonna wear my shirt, my uncontrolled shirt today.
Just do this
That hat go with my shirt too.
I just grabbed it and just left.
Control.
Why you don't got a haircut?
No, it's one of them days.
Just one of them days.
I knew that was coming.
You queued it up like.
I don't have no uncontrolled attire.
I got a red t-shirt. That joint big as crap.
Today you Afrocentric. You got the.
I am.
She
but
real
this-
natural.
Real Will and Av right now.
This is
Royal
what stuff is
Pieces.
This is Royal Pieces.
Yes, Royal Pieces in the building.
Pieces. You know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all are good as.
Are we good to go?
I'm gonna just pop in like probably every 10.
You already started recording?
Yeah, it's
All
already
right.
going. So.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, just ignore
Waiting
me if
on
I
you,
pop
Chief.
in.
All right. Hey y'all, it's your girl Purple, and this is another episode of Parenting with Purple. So y'all know, if y'all don't know by now, that I do special guests every episode, and I have the gang in the building. I'm gonna let them, I'm gonna let them introduce themselves and tell you a little bit about themselves. So whoever wanna go first.
Oh yeah. You already know it's your guy DJ F and NI, man, at DJ.NI _ on the Instagram and all that, man. I do a little bit of everything, radio host, DJ, you know what I'm saying, a music artist, like an entrepreneur, like, you know what I'm saying. You know,
He a daddy too.
yeah, I'm a dad, like, you know what I'm saying. Like I got a 12-year-old. Well, yeah, 12 now because her birthday about to come up in July. So,
Hey.
you know what I'm saying? We just carrying it, man. The carriers, man. You can check me out, ABM 101 Radio. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple shows. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause, you know.
Cause you carrying it.
We might as well just do the circle. So next.
Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? That's your boy DJ Jock. You can follow me on IG at DJ Jock _ the Philly Prince, one of the hottest DJs in Philly.
Yeah.
Boy.
Hey, yo, Jock. You know what I
Hey.
mean? I mean, on my spare time, yeah. I mean, well, I DJ, of course. I mean, y'all can catch me everywhere in Philly. You can also book me at Booking DJ Jock.
Okay.
I mean, that's
Get
my
'em in, get 'em in.
business page. But yeah, on the main time, but I am a family man, you know, to all my babies.
How many babies, Jack?
I got 5 babies.
5 babies.
I'm
Oh.
a daddy dad.
Yeah.
You a big dad with a capital D.
But there we go.
Dad.
With a capital D.
Yes, that's dad right there.
All right. Who next?
It's me. I'm Mink. I do a little bit of everything. First and foremost, I am a mother of a soon-to-be 16-year-old.
Ooh.
Yes, 16-year-old
Lord
girl.
Jesus.
Y'all pray for me.
I'm ready for majors.
Y'all pray for me.
Major.
But I can't describe anything I do other than that the hustle is real. I do a
The
little
hustle
bit of
is
this,
always
I do a
real.
little bit of that. I'm fresh home from surgery, so I'm out here.
Listen, if y'all don't follow me at Purple Productions LLC, please do so. I made a post that said, and I was so serious, that Mink will work in a coma if she could. Like,
I think I
I be
would.
telling her, y'all think I work a lot because I do 16-hour shifts and work overnight and all of that. She
I'm out here.
She be doing some other stuff.
I'm out here.
Her work ethic is like crazy.
I'm out here.
So I want to get into jacking these 5 kids. You got 5.
Baby.
How old are they?
Why you gotta run at me?
Huh?
My kids are between the ages 3 and 8.
Okay, you still got little people.
Mm-hmm.
They're still little people.
They still babies.
They keep you running though.
Yeah.
That's when they young, they keep you running.
Yeah.
They keep you running now. For those of you who have been listening and actually are up to date on episodes, and I was here for I'm actually gonna be airing or have already aired if you're listening now. My all Mel episode. He was one of the fathers on there.
That's
So
nice.
so you guys might be familiar with, and I call them the gang because when I started my events and my LLC and doing all of that, they was there. My lingerie parties, I had like a nice little series of lingerie parties. We're gonna take it back a little bit. Labor in lingerie, masquerade lingerie, slaying lingerie. For those of you who don't know,
You missed out.
And you missed it.
listen, if you missed it,
You definitely missed out.
It was a time. Every party was a
Was a
time.
time.
No, none of the parties is the same. None of the parties in the same location. We had a bunch of different themes. Everybody was there. Everybody at this table was there. So I had to bring them in because we all parents. We missing a few.
We are missing
Shout out to my girl Ming. She couldn't make it because she's a parent.
Mm-hmm.
And she had a situation with the babysitter, but that's my baby. Shout out to her. So yeah, we are going to get into a couple of things right now. And the big thing that's going on is when they see us. And I had asked the gang to watch some of the episodes. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't watching no episodes, so it's okay. Ming said she wasn't watching it because she was alive and here when
I
it
was
happened.
alive and watching news articles and all of that. Kind
Yeah,
of
and I wasn't. So, Mink, if you could fill us in on the situation now. I've been getting little, everybody on social media like, oh my God, it's making me cry. And why would they do that to them? And this, that, and the third. So, Mink, if you could kind of fill us in on the gist of the situation with that.
So, long story short, it was a group of young gentlemen